Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do a quick hands-on with Nokia 4.2, which is launched at the MWC 2019. So Nokia 4.2 is a budget offering, or rather an affordable smartphone from Nokia, and this comes with quite decent specifications as well. So we have an HD plus resolution display. This is powered by the Snapdragon 439 octa-core chipset. It is having Android 9.0 update and quite decent hardware as well. So in this video we'll have a look at what all features it offers. So this is the Nokia 4.2, which comes in two colors, black and pink sand variant. So it also has a water drop notch. You can see the 5.71 inches HD plus resolution display. It's quite a decent display for the price segment it is being offered, and the touch response is also quite good, and the viewing angles looks good. The notch is definitely improved, and you could see it's a water drop notch on this device. Now looking at the back panel, you can see it has a dual camera setup. It has a 13 and 2 megapixel camera combination, LED flash and also fingerprint scanner along with the Nokia branding. And this is again under the Android One platform. So we are having the black variant of the device, and you can also see the power key has an LED notification, so that's one of the important aspects. And you can also see the power and volume keys on the right side. The left side houses the SIM tray. The bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot. The speaker unit is also included, so there's no USB Type-C port on this device. Now on the top panel we don't have any operating system slots. Now talking about the camera, it's a 13 megapixel primary camera, and there is a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensing camera, and the primary camera has f*2.2 aperture. Now let's have a look at the software offered. So this device comes with the Android 9.0, and this is under the Android One platform. So you might be already knowing it has stock Android, and if you look at the features offered, if you have been using a Nokia smartphone, you might be knowing that there are no third-party options or features offered. It's a plain and basic UI, and here again you get Android 9.0 with this device, and the latest updates are promised by Nokia. So that's the software aspect of the Nokia 4.2. So Nokia 4.2 comes in two variants. We have the 2GB RAM variant and also 3GB RAM variant. It's powered by the new Qualcomm 439 chipset. Now looking at the camera UI, you can see that it does feature all the modes you might want to have. There is also depth mode, wherein you can increase or decrease the depth mode, and you can change the depth effect on the photos. There's also video recording available. 1080p resolution is the video recording available on this device. So overall it's quite an entry level smartphone, and this has around 169 grams in weight, and it comes in two variants, black and pinks, and these are the two variants available on this device. Now the device also comes with a 3000 mAh capacity battery, which should be quite good enough for a day of usage, because it's a smaller capacity battery, as well as this has HD plus resolution display and a smaller display as well. It's a 5.71 inches display. So this was the quick hands-on with the Nokia 4.2, which comes in two variants, and we'll be doing a detailed video later when we get hold of the device for review. We are hoping this should come to India pretty soon. We don't know the pricing as of now, the Indian pricing as of now, but I expect it below the 15K price segment, so we don't have any confirmation on that. That was a hands-on video with the Nokia 4.2. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.